that noise? No? What is it? Oh. At least you said something. Even though it was hiccupy. Those arms are flailing. Her arms are flailing. Bye-bye, baby. Don't cry. Bye.